sharpshooters. I'm so real, 100% authentic. I know how they feel. I dropped them off at the clinic. Told them you need rehabilitation. Get them clean. Let that try your life. Triple beam. Check the me. Before they go to go. You got that real hand. This is the overdose. I'm on that overdose. You got that real hand. This is the overdose. I'm on that overdose. Oh, me, overdose. They think I'm churchy. They think your boy you lame. Yeah, I live for Jesus. I'm unashamed. They talking reckless, what you expecting from the broken dead? You trying to give them life. They want that hesitation. That's all they give. Pick up that overdose. Come stick it in their ear. I got my prescription. It's out consumed. Ears flesh, drink is blood. Holy communion. I know the truth. Sitting home like marathon. Yeah, my God run the streets like a marathon. Yes, I'm a believer. Yes, I rep the kingdom. They ask me where to find the Lord. They ain't never seen him. Homie thought ain't got no longitude or latitude. He's on another level. You can't put a latitude. Hey, don't check him in. Before they close the door. You got that free hand. This is the overdose. And don't check him in. Before they close the door. You got that free hand. This is the overdose. I'm on that overdose.
Hey, what if we all need anger?
How could I love you when all you ever did was wrong? How could I trust you? You lied to me all along. You strung me out. I'm going through withdrawals, the shakes and all. You did me dirty. I almost died. I let you play me, and plus you gave me all the filthy things I wanted, all my simple cravings. But I see you, yeah, you see through. Somebody opened up my eyes and I don't need you. I gotta leave you before you take my life. I used to date you, then I went ahead and made you wife. Yeah, you had me feeding for the stuff you offer. You such a scoffer, I know that you want me in my coffin. But girl, you already lost it. Your ways will perish. Thank you, God, for your salvation. This is what I cherish. How could I love you when all you ever did was wrong? How could I trust you? You lied to me all along. know the name. See, life is just a picture. I see outside the frame. I'm living for a kingdom and I ain't never same. Yeah, and I'ma chase that. I'ma chase that. Gotta keep it life and best believe it. I'ma play that. Glory, I'ma chase that. I'ma chase that. Glory, I'ma chase that. I'ma chase that. I remember chasing the green, feeling blue. Only check I'm counting is the mic check. 1, 2. All I wanted was the money and the fame and the new. Somebody on my arm when I walk inside the room. All I wanted was doom. The same kind of Alexander the Great felt when it's gravity. Keeps pulling me down, 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 pulling me down. Listen. I pen songs for the perishing and parishioners, the mirrors and the listeners, the home and the visitors. This is not a game, you can't claim or make it pretty. They say the earth cursed, so our mouths stay dirty. It's mud on the track, a slug in your back. Police done pulled you over with a gun in your lap. And you ain't got the power to make it through this parade. The workers can't keep the profit, everything here is vain. My job is oppressive, I strive for my blessings. The past is so corrupt, it's hard to ride with its message. Riches destroy the owners, the government think they own us. My onus is to keep the police from riding all the bonus. Leaving money to kids who spending on getting bled. Say what's the point of living just to give it up in the end. And again, all my sin has been pinned to the cross. I know I'm free forever from this land of the lost. Every time I think of flying, I'm just falling so close to touching the sky. Gravity keeps pulling me back down, but I can't stay here forever. I wanna go. I wanna go somewhere where there's no Somebody told me there was no such thing as truth. I said if that's the case, then why should I believe you? Murder, money, and mayhem, every place that I lay in. Problems follow suit, I'm tailor-made for this scene now. It's deep, you wanna go deep, I make it deep. Reality is really just cheap. Your eyes wide open, apparently, but you sleep. And everything you have in your hands, you'll never keep. So why hold on? I flow on to go on. Before long, I float on. Eternal life is what I'm thinking, I'ma bake my hope on. Believe me, easy is irrelevant. The devil want us burning for the hell of it. Elephants in the room say we can't talk about impending doom. When we gospel rapping, no preaching people out of their shoes. It's cool. I be that dude we glued to until somebody from this gravity. Fly. I wanna go. I wanna go somewhere where there's no gravity. Where there's no
And that, guys, is my new bass setup. One kicker, 10-inch L7 sub, powered by a Polk PA 1000 amp D. Class D amp, and it's in a brand new A-Trend 10-inch SPL sub box.